Rockstar on the 6E, or let's call that a naked Rockstar. All right, +5. That was a nice, slow, easy one for everybody to be able to get in on, even if you're slow or you have this propensity to chase trades. We had a nice push up. Here's our meter we were just talking about. The black bars telling us we have some nice strong momentum. We have some velocity, high velocity bars. We have our speed tick telling us that these trades were being processed really fast. We have our overbought, which is the pink outline. We have our pullback alert saying that the buyers were well in control, were sitting and waiting. Buyers and sellers got in a fight with each other. Sellers started to take over. Open of this bar now, we had a divergent condition. So because we had all those conditions in place, we have the Rockstar. Rockstar prints here. The buy was on the open of the, or I'm sorry, the sell was on the open of this bar. And it just sat there at the open of the bar, so it was really easy for anybody, even beginners, to jump in and not get left behind here. This was an easy sell here. It took a few minutes, sat there for a few seconds, and then just easily went back and dropped here to right where we expected it to. And now what it does, I have no clue. This is our sweet spot right here. This is what we trade. This is where we have a high probability of success. All right, so watching the 6E, the CL somewhat, but not really unless it starts pushing more. Like that. GC, pick your poison. Shorted the 6E, that's the one I was looking at. You could short the CL if you got a decent fill on it. Even the GC was a good one, depending on which one you jumped on. All right, +5 on the 6E. Same thing, let's look at this again. Notice the black, it's actually even turning into a lighter gray here. So we've got stronger momentum. And this, the lighter the color, the more probable the pullback. We have an overbought condition, meaning that exhaustion is likely to be setting in. We have a speed tick, which says that this bar was likely manipulated. Now look at the length of this bar relative to these bars. Okay, this is an up thrust bar that we see almost every time before we get this pullback here. Okay, so we're looking for this longer bar relative to these bars. We also have a pullback alert and a ricochet. Again, same thing as here. The buyers were well in charge until the sellers were sitting up here waiting for them. And even though price is moving up, we've identified that momentum has actually shifted directions. And that's when the Rockstar prints. And this is where we put our sell order on. And down she goes. Same with the CL. Up. We got a push up. It backed up a little bit and then dropped. Nice, GC also hit. So I've hit my target for the day. All right, got a little bump up here on the NQ. Oversold, speed tick. Shorted it with the Rockstar. Actually got a better fill. And +5. All right, pretty good day today. And what, 7 winners and no losers today. Hit my target at +3, net +3 winners today. And then after I put that money in the bank and shifted to Sim, I got 4 more winners. Anybody else hit their trading goal for the day? Excellent. Good job, everybody. So do you still, all of you are hitting, you have a target of wins and losses, not dollars or ticks, right? Is that what everybody's doing? I know that's what I do. I was just checking. Yeah, it does take some time, takes some work.